morning parents. Myself Mrs. Shweta Nellekar. I am teacher of English subject. Okay. I welcome you all in online classes of Chatty School Vijayanagar. Students, now in this session we are going to learn about the first topic of our English textbook, that is the characters. What is the name of first lesson? The characters. Students, now look towards the blackboard. Okay. What is day today? Today is Wednesday. And what is date today? Today is 1st July 2020. Students, you have to mention in your notebook also day and date. It's very important. Okay. And do you know what is the special of this day? Today's day? Today is Ashadi Ekadashi. Okay. We praise God Vithala on this day. And second thing is, today is National Doctors Day. In nowadays, the importance of doctors are very important, and at the same time in our life doctors play a very important role. They cures us when we feel ill. So from the Chatty School, I wish you all happy Doctors Day. Now students, turn towards our lesson, that is the characters. What is the name of lesson? The characters. Okay. Now, what is meant by characters? Do you have any idea? Cactus is a plant which grows in desert areas, mostly in desert areas. It has thorns on its stems. Okay. Now, we are going to learn about the cactus in this lesson. Now, I am going to read the lesson. You have to look in your textbook. Be careful. Okay. Listen carefully. In the middle of this beautiful garden stood the ugly cactus. It had 3 stems which looked like hefty clubs. Thorns sprouted on these clubs in odd patches. Though to look at the cactus was hard and tough, but at heart it was soft, gentle and loving. He often tried talking to the other flowers, the regal rose, the proud daisy, the arrogant sunflower and the rude chrysanthemum. They kept screaming about how the ugly cactus was spoiling the beauty of their part of the garden. Once there was a single dot in Rimdim. There was no water anywhere. The rivers, the ponds and even the wells started drying. The poor gardener would trot for miles in search of water and returned with a pot or two which he would give to his flowers. Soon even that stopped. The people of the kingdom ran away to other cities and towns. The gardener too went away with a heavy heart. Only the flowers were left behind. The cactus had plenty of water stored in its stems. As it saw the flowers wilting away, its tender heart melted. Rose, being the smartest, stepped forward. The cactus was very happy. It gave its water to other flowers also. The flowers and cactus become friends. Everything became normal. The people came back to the town. The gardener too returned. He was surprised to the flowers gaily in the breeze. His heart leaped with joy. Okay. Now I will explain you this topic. I know all you are bored at home in this very long vacation. So I will tell you one story of cactus. We read that there is a garden named Rimdim. Students, you imagine that this is a picture of Rimdim garden. In that garden there are many more kinds of flowers like sunflower, rose, periwinkle, dragon flower. All looks very beautiful. But there is one cactus also. And that cactus have thorns patches on its stems. So what happened? It not look as beautiful as remaining flowers. So what happened? All these flowers are good friends, but they are not ready to do friendship with that cactus. Okay? And that cactus want to be friend of these flowers. But no one is ready to be friend of cactus because cactus is not looking good. But the quality of cactus have very good heart. Its cactus nature was very good, helpful. And what happened? Some days pass away and there a severed dot. Means what? A situation where the storage of water was very less and we can't get water for drinking also. That's why all the human beings, animals, even the gardener also went away in another village. And what happened? That all flowers needs water. All flowers need water. But they feel hesitate. Hesitate means embarrassing. We are not doing the friendship with cactus, then how can we demand water from the cactus? So they feel hesitate, and that rose becomes smart and asks for the water to cactus. And what happened? The cactus have one another quality, that is cactus can store water in its stems. Okay, so cactus have the storage of water. When that rose asked for the water, very happily cactus gave some water to all the flowers and all are alive. After some days, what happened? The clouds become darker and start the raining. Because of raining, there are again some water sources available. So all the human beings, gardener also come back to the village, and what gardener saw that all the flowers are gale in the breeze, happily gale in the breeze. Okay. So what happened? All they are become friends because the helping nature of the cactus. Means in short, the moral of story is friend in need is friend in in your notebook properly.